Oh, he's gonna attack the other one. Don't you dare attack the other one there, Greg. Kick your ass. Eat the damn minnows, don't eat the other fish. Fuck. You're an asshole, Greg. Oh, teamwork. Not really. Oh, hey! Hey! Get away from my fish!
They're fine. I haven't attacked them yet.
Not yet. Look at him though. He's eyeballing him. He's a lot bigger. I didn't notice how big he was.
Who, Greg?
Yeah. He has actually gotten a lot bigger than when he used to be. Look at, you go down and he goes up, what? Up? Yeah. Look at.
I know.